In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare in Bluebeam. If you work with drawings, specs, or contracts, comparing PDFs is a reliable way to spot changes between versions and avoid missing anything important. We'll walk through the visual compare workflow so you can quickly see what's changed, what's the same, and how to make the results as clear as possible. Start by opening Bluebeam Revu. Have the two PDFs you want to check ready, ideally with matching page sizes and orientation. That doesn't have to be perfect, but the closer they are, the cleaner your comparison will look. It also helps to close extra tabs so you can focus on the files you're reviewing. Next, go to the top menu and choose Document, then Compare, then Visual Compare. Visual Compare overlays the two PDFs and highlights the differences using contrasting colors. It's a great option when you want a fast, visual way to confirm revisions without creating additional markups or reports. When prompted, select the two PDFs you want to compare. Think of one as your older version and the other as the newer version, even if they're simply different alternatives. If your files are multi-page, Bluebeam will match pages by index, so make sure you're pairing the right pages or open to the specific pages you care about before you start. Before running the comparison, take a moment to adjust the settings if needed. This is where you control how clear and accurate your results will be. Choose the colors used to represent each file so differences stand out against the background. If the drawings aren't perfectly aligned, use the alignment options to nudge them into place so walls, grids, or key points line up. If you see noise from faint backgrounds or hatch patterns, tweak the sensitivity or threshold to filter out minor variations and focus on meaningful changes. You can also adjust transparency to make the overlay easier on the eyes. Once everything looks good, click Compare. Bluebeam will overlay the two PDFs and highlight additions and deletions with your chosen colors. Pan and zoom to inspect details and use the on-screen controls to refine the view if something looks off. If the results feel misaligned or too busy, don't worry, simply revisit the settings, adjust alignment or color sensitivity, and run the comparison again. A small tweak often makes the differences pop. That's the complete process. Open Bluebeam Revu, go to Document Compare, Visual Compare, select your two PDFs, refine the settings, and click Compare. With these steps, you'll be able to review revisions with confidence and clarity